Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to export trim data to Excel or Google Sheet. Do you need to analyze your trim financial data outside the app? Exporting it to Excel or Google Sheet is easy. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the trim app and go to settings or the report section. There you're going to look for an option like export data or download reports. Go ahead and choose the format that you want. It's usually CSV or Excel format that works best. If you select CSV, you can open it in Excel or upload it directly into Google Sheets. Trim will prepare your financial summary, including transactions, spending categories, budgets, and savings data. Once the file downloads, open it with Excel or Google Sheets to analyze, create charts, or to track your finances on your own terms. If you ever want to automate this process, you might also connect Trim to spreadsheet apps through integrations, but exporting manually works best for one-time reports. And that's how you take your Trim data with you anywhere you want. Up next, I'm going to show you guys how to use Trim with Mint or YNAB, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe for that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.